आज 5 सिंगल गर्ल्स विल रेस टू डेट 1 लकी गाय। लड़का पूछेगा सवाल, कुछ फ्लर्टी, थोड़े डीप एंड बहुत स्पाइसी।
कार्डियो करेंगे।
जवाब पसंद आया, दे स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, अगर नहीं दे वेट। इट्स अ रेस फॉर लव, लेकिन सिर्फ एक क्रॉस करेगा फिनिश लाइन। दिस इज डेट और वेट।
Hi, my name is Aman. I'm a brand builder by the day and a bodybuilder by the night. तो देखते हैं आज मैं किसी साथ डेट पे जाता हूँ।
Hi, I am Anushka. I am a gymnast. I also teach artistic gymnastics and I'm also a fitness content creator. I am here because बहुत टाइम से जिम में ही मैंने टाइम स्पेंड किया है, तो I wanted to dress up and meet somebody new.
Okay, hello, my name is Donna. I'm half Spanish, half Indian. I'm from Dominican Republic and I play football. And honestly, the thing is that I don't believe that women should chase men because we don't chase, we attract.
Hi, I'm Angel. I'm an actor, a model, and an entrepreneur. I have seen everything Australia में सारे गोरा पकोड़ा देख लिया, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो मैं यहाँ पे हूँ मुंबई में to hopefully find someone.
Hi, I'm Anjali. I'm a marketer by profession and I'm here to find the love of my life. I don't have a lot of expectations because I've been single for the last 4.5 years and men are generally disappointing, but I have certain high hopes from the man. Let's see if this guy can live up to or not.
Hi, I'm Shailika. I'm a dancer by profession and I'm here to have fun and meet new people. Yes.
So girls, Aman is really bad at making decisions. That's why we've called his best friend, जो उसे बहुत अच्छे से जानती है, to make this choice a little easier.
Hi, my name's Ari. I'm from LA and I'm visiting India for the summer break and that's why I'm here with him. Okay, so like, what do you guys think about Iman now? जब तक वो बात नहीं करता तब तक तो नहीं बता सकता, बट अभी के लिए उसका आर्म्स बहुत अच्छा है।
Yeah, for me, I think he can be बहुत अच्छे से मेरा बैग उठा के मेरे साथ साथ चल सकता है।
इसीलिए जिम जाता है। Yes. Correct.
Aman, sorry, I can carry my own bags, but we can work out together.
We do a lat spread together.
Lat pull down करेंगे। Done.
अमन, तुम मुझे वर्कआउट करना सिखा सकते हो, मैं तुम्हें डांस करना सिखा सकती हूँ, हम साथ में थोड़ा फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं।
That sounds so wrong.
मुझे आपका आउटफिट काफ़ी अच्छा लगा एंड ऐसे देख के लग रहा है दैट वी कैन वर्क आउट टुगेदर एज वेल एंड आप मुझे पुल अप फाइनली सिखा सकते हो बिकॉज दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू येट।
You know how to do that?
One, I think.
Cool.
या
So Aman, what do you think about them now?
So I think okay, Anushka is the definition of a muscle mom.
Yeah.
Exactly. Love that. Anjali, love the rose in the outfit.
Thank
Very
you.
eye catchy. The rose.
जस्ट द रोज
No. Angel is very like a very sweet child of God.
Yeah.
Right? Very young Pretty Zinta.
I want guys.
Donna, love the outfit.
You haven't seen the outfit until you see the tattoos.
Oh yeah. Brownie points.
He's a tattoo guy. Oh, okay.
Shayalika, right?
Shailika.
Shayalika. Okay, sorry. So yeah. Yes. Can you do a split?
Yeah. Do you want to see?
Yeah. Because.
But Aman, listen, एक और person है यहाँ पे जो split कर सकता है।
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
That's impressive.
So, what is something about you that like usually surprises people when you like meet them initially?
Everybody knows I'm a muscle mummy because muscles तो दिख जाते हैं। So Aman, I don't chase because cardio इतना पसंद नहीं है, but I can carry all your problems on my back because it's you.
Wow, that's right.
But also, I can also flip your problems away because I can flip.
What makes me stand out is that I think I'm very authentic. मुझे pretend करना पसंद नहीं है. I am very direct and I'm very fun. And I'm very clear on what I want.
So currently it's my outfit that's making me stand out, red and black, and then there's me. But in general, I feel like oh my god, I sound very like up myself, but I feel like I've got that aura that like I sort of stand out. Like you'll see me, yeah.
I don't think I want to like stand out for everyone. It's like up to you. Like if you notice me, you notice me. That's it. And when suppose I'm like your girlfriend and I'm with you, so like whole time is with you. Like most of the time, like gonna be very supportive of everything about you.
One man.
So
over.
you like that?
Stand out यार इतनी तो मेरी height ही नहीं है वैसे तो मैं ही बता देती हूँ but I'll say यार मैं थोड़ी मस्तीखोर हूँ यार मैं पहाड़ी हूँ तो थोड़ा stand out तो करूँगी brownie points वहाँ मिलेंगे
So Aman, what do you think about Shaya, like a date or wait?
Date.
Date? What's up with Donna then?
Donna can wait. Is fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about Angel though?
Angel date. It is usually also wait.
And what about the muscle mommy now?
Oh, date.
Date? Immediately? Love that. If you see him at the gym one day and you have to approach him, what would you say? What would you do to like impress Aman? Aman? Sorry, I don't know you, okay? Hi.
Hi.
Hello. I'm Donna. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, fuck, that's so hard handshake. Basically, I'm very sad today. क्योंकि मेरा फ्रेंड ने मेरे को बोला कि मैं बहुत भारी है.
Bhari.
आपको लगता है मैं भारी है?
Bombay slang bhari in like too good. Bhari. Heavy?
आप मेरे साथ एक वीडियो बनाएगा जिसमें आप मेरे को बेंच प्रेस करता.
ठीक है पर हम लोग इंग्लिश में बोलेगा.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
बनाएगा.
Done. Okay.
Sweet. A lot of people don't come and talk to me at the gym because they think I'm angry all the time. So you did, and that's a good thing.
If I was in the gym and if I had to approach you, pehle to I don't think it should work this way. I think you should approach me in the gym. But in case if I want to raise you up,
Aman today.
yes, would you mind coming here? So I'm trying to learn exercises for my arms because you have great arms and मुझे मेरे arms build करना है. I think I have good shoulders but मुझे triceps and biceps पे थोड़ा काम करना है. So will you be able to like help me and like
Of course,
spot me? Can you show
Train
me
with
some
me.
form? Yeah. How am I doing? Am I doing it right?
Straight, yeah. So you go, you lift,
Yeah.
and then you just don't let the tension go over here, right?
Okay.
Don't completely go down. Stay here, and then you lift. Yeah.
Got
Perfect.
it.
Slow.
मतलब free
Slow and
gym
controlled,
period
yeah?
मिल गया यहाँ पे.
Yeah. She said go fast, but I do slow and controlled. Correct?
That's how I like it.
Challenge for you to clear this round. Okay. If you can lift me and squat,
Okay, my outfit might not support it today.
I'll do a piggyback lift. Don't
Piggyback?
worry,
Okay, let's go. How much? कितना weight करते हो आप?
How much I squat?
Weight कितना
Weight
करते
84.
हो? 84. Okay, should be possible. Yeah. Easy.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, I did one.
Yeah, but she did one.
Hi, come here.
Big fan, man, big fan.
Are you tired of holding up those biceps or can I hold it for you?
Okay. That's a very
Excuse.
sweet, simple line. Please let me hold your biceps. Biceps hold the please.
क्या आप मेरा एक वीडियो शूट कर सकते हैं प्लीज़ एक्चुअली मुझे स्पेस नहीं मिलता है ओके
थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जा कभी बाहों को दीजिए थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी
This beat is like off the roof.
बाहों को दीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का
Your talent.
आँखों से लीजिए आज की रात मजा
Flexible.
आँखों से लीजिए वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए वक्त बर्बाद न
Love it, love the confidence. Man.
बात की बातों में कीजिए आज की रात
वीडियो भी छोड़ दूंगा मैं छोड़ वीडियो.
हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए आज
So good.
Killed it.
So Aman, what do you think? Date or wait? Let's start again.
I think everyone cleared the round. Honestly, yeah, because I think for me it's the kind of effort someone puts, whether it's impressing someone or whatever, but still it's the effort. So everyone of you cleared the round. Everybody dates.
Okay, so the next round is the red flag hunt. तो एक word में अगर तुम्हारे red flags, genuine red flags, अगर summarize करना होगा तो क्या होगा?
Anxious attachment.
Anger issues.
You know how they say that dialogue? मैं लगता हूँ innocent savvy type का. Yeah, so मैं लगती हूँ innocent savvy type की, but I'm very dominating. Like I'll dominate you.
I ghost people a lot. I am very detached and I need a lot of space. So yeah, you will have to work really hard.
You would say this is my green flag, पर मैं हर चीज़ एकदम दिल लगा के मन से करती हूँ. मैं वर्कaholic हूँ, तो कोई भी चीज़ अगर मुझे खटकती है लड़के के बारे में, तो I go completely off. I get easily detached. कितने भी साल का relationship हो, and I go back to my life. So that's my red flag.
So you switch.
I have a question for
So you're
both
gonna
of
dress
you.
me too, guys, by the way.
आप दोनों क्यों नहीं डेट कर रहे हो? Because I mean we all know the trope of like the male and the female best friend and प्यार दोस्ती है तो why not?
नहीं वो पिक्चरों में प्यार दोस्ती नहीं है.
For me, it's like both of us are like the boys. Oh, hey. See, the thing is that when I look at him, it's like ugly, not my type. सीधा. तो ये तू मेरे बारे में नहीं
Clearly
बोलेगा।
very judgmental. She warned us guys.
Yeah. तो फिर like मेरे को तो नहीं, not cheap.
So Ari, if you won't date him, तो हम क्यों डेट करें उनको?
सबका अपना type होता है. And I have seen like the side of him where like I can't go back from there. Like I've seen like
What
the
have you
down
seen?
low worst एकदम.
Oh, okay. That's साथ में शायालिका.
शायद
Fuck.
That's your
No,
red
it's just
flag.
that I screw up in the A and I. Shayailika date. Donna date.
Did you say date or wait?
Date.
और she can't believe.
Angel. Stay. What do you think? You done.
No, honestly, like she's a very like strong individual. तुम्हारा भी same scene है. तो थोड़ा clash.
Both
होगा.
leaders, that
Both
do-
leaders,
that sense.
doesn't work.
So wait.
करा दे.
Wait. Anushka.
Bro,
I'm gonna ask you about Anushka. Chal. Date. Anushka
पक्का
date.
date. So pretend you guys are already dating. It's your 1-year anniversary. And you guys have to plan out like a 1-year date, like an anniversary date for him. What would you plan for him, like a perfect 1-year anniversary date? What would it be?
I think for me it would be a beach vacation. Like if I'm the one planning, I would definitely like surprise him out of nowhere. I'll just be like, बस एक backpack करो and without telling him हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, I would whisk him away to some beach island somewhere.
Alibag लेके चलेगी.
Alibag को अरे.
No, not Alibag. Like something like Sri Lanka or
Sri Lanka is a
Bali
nice
or
place,
something
yeah.
like that.
मेरा आइडिया होगा आई लुक फॉर वन ऑफ द फैंसीज जिम जो हम दोनों को अच्छा लगता है एंड अराउंड दैट हम बुक करेंगे एक B&B एंड वी विल स्पेंड द एंटायर डे टुगेदर. ब्रेकफास्ट बनाएंगे, प्रोटीन खाएंगे, पूरा डेली प्रोटीन इनटेक कंप्लीट, फिर जिम करेंगे, फिर B&B जाएंगे.
B&B जाएंगे वो फोकस करिए.
कार्डियो करेंगे.
Pretty and done.
If for me, I feel like एक साल में पता चल जाएगा if you are the one and you're gonna stay with me. So I will take you to an animal shelter. We'll get like a little puppy and then we'll co-parent it.
So cute. Yeah. So basically, I think I'll book a trip back to the US for the anniversary, and then like first plan would be go watch an NBA match probably. Do that and then spend the rest of the day like I'll be your tour guide. I'll introduce you to everything out there. Even she can join us actually.
Yeah, dude.
gonna say that. Yeah. 100. Yeah.
I'm very conscious of who I introduce to my family, so I feel like within 1 year I will, have that level of consummation that I know this person inside out, and I would really like for that person to have a family dinner, and then of course we can go to whatever place. By that time I'd know what type of places this person likes and what kind of you know, things he in general likes to do. So we'll plan that, of course.
यार सब लोग बाहर लेके जा रहे हैं तुमको, मेरे पास बजट नहीं है, sorry.
He was impressed by the BNP answer.
Yeah, he was.
Ari.
Don't worry, I find joy in little things, so.
But it's not. Oh, fuck.
I meant,
Good.
But I like the confidence that you're not shaken by that.
Yeah, it was a test, guys.
Yeah, he passed that test clearly.
Very secure.
Yeah, I'm good with that.
So I love the answer that Donna gave me because she included me in it because she's like, oh, I'm coming to the US, so like you're gonna be there. But I'm the cupid here. I'm not just helping him, but I'm here for you guys too.
But wait, you're already there.
Abhi chup
So you will be included, na?
Look, we can name the puppy Ari.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah,
Why am I not being included? Like, I need some.
I know some people find this offensive. मैं मेरे कुत्ते का नाम आरी नहीं रख रही यार.
Look, that's cute.
Cute, yeah. But
Okay, so.
Chal, I want you to.
क्या later wait?
Yeah.
I
It's
don't
all
think
you.
that's fair.
That is
Because
fine.
मेरे plan में तो ये बिल्कुल भी included नहीं है.
No, ठीक है, you don't see. Don't be biased just because you were not in the plan.
Okay, yeah.
But yeah,
Okay.
it's all you.
I know I called a kutta a dog. Oh, sorry, a dog a kutta, but no
इसको
offense.
यहीं पे ही रखो.
I'm so sorry. Sorry
I would
for.
say Angel has to come आगे. Donna has to come आगे. And then I would say Anushka, date. Honestly. Everyone else can wait. तो हम लोग को भी सबका red flags and green flags तो मालूम है. But हर relationship में conflicts आते हैं. So I want to see तुम लोग वो conflicts manage कैसे करते हो. So basically you guys are already dating and you see him at the gym spotting a girl while she's squatting. How would you react to it?
हो गया spot करके.
Arey, she just asked for a spot. Yeah, I was happy.
मेरे को तो spot नहीं किया
But
कभी.
you don't need a spot now. You're fucking good.
You can still spot me, but.
Yeah, I can. But I said, yeah, just like, नहीं तो यार.
You'll find someone who'll release your traps for you.
No. Arey, that's only you. I'm just spotting. मतलब she
Next
asked me.
time, if I see you spotting.
Can you promise? Promise.
So my thing is that I would not date somebody who's like that, जो ऐसे लड़कियों को spot करता है स्कॉट करते हुए. But by chance तुमने कर दिया, आपको जो करना है करो. This is your life. But if you are stupid enough to spot a girl जो आपकी girlfriend नहीं है in the gym, तो फिर I don't think you deserve.
But I already have that. No.
Bye. I'm just
मेरे को वो
leaving.
करना चाहिए.
I was just
That's the
leaving. तुमको ट्रेनर बनना है तो तुम ट्रेनर
ठीक है, मैं नहीं करूँगा. मैं जिम ही छोड़ दूँगा. छोड़ो. मैं घर पे वगड़
जिम
दूँगा.
ही छोड़ दे, ये गैस लाइटिंग हो रही है यहाँ
घर
पे.
पे वगड़ दूँगा मैं.
क्या करोगे?
I'll squat you at home.
Squat me now.
I can squat you. You want me to squat you?
Yeah.
I'll piggyback.
Okay. Oh my god. Shit.
Have I made up yet? Oh no.
Okay. Fine. I forgive you.
Excuse me, ये क्या था?
मैं ऐसे स्वीटली शिलवर आ जाता कभी नहीं देखूंगा मैंने किसी और को जिम में. मैं ऐसे करूँ.
How dare you?
Sorry.
और कोई नहीं मिली, वही मिली थी यार. Very bad. I'm गुस्सा with you. उठक बैठक करो.
कान पकड़ के. कितने करने का है?
जितने 10.
जब तक यू ओके वन.
Go नीचे और नीचे.
और इससे नीचे तो मैं चली जाऊंगा ना. खत्म हो जाएगा. 7, 8, 9. Happy?
Okay, bye. Yeah.
See you.
Never again.
Okay, so new situation. He has a public profile on Instagram and he's posting a bunch of thirst traps. Girls are commenting, he's replying. What would the situation be like?
Break up.
Cancel. सीधा.
Would you like that? If some other man does that to my pictures?
No, but you're posting those straps?
What if I post? See, the message that this is sending to me is that किसी और लड़की ने तुम्हें आके तुम्हारे thirst traps पे comment किया और तुम उसके साथ engage कर रहे हो as if तुम्हारी life में कोई already important exist ही नहीं करता है.
नहीं ठीक है
तो मैं क्यों नहीं करती हूँ ना, तो तुम क्यों कर रहे हो?
सही बात है।
जब मैं स्टार्टिंग में बोल देती हूँ कि नहीं यार सुनो मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड है, तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं बनने वाला है यहाँ पे, ठीक है? No, done. Do you get it? Do you? Internal anger.
मेरे को सही में पसीना आ रहा है भाई। I can post whatever and but not reply to anyone, right? वही ना? अरे और क्या चाहिए?
Just
यही
don't
ना?
interact. Just not
नहीं, वो तो ठीक
interact.
है।
It's that simple.
I'll not interact, but I'll post. That's okay,
You'll
right?
post whatever you want.
No, yeah, तो that's
तो
okay
बचा
ना?
है क्या Instagram पे तो नहीं?
अरे पर interact नहीं करूँगा मैं, पक्का? Done?
I mean what? I'm giving you a scenario now. Some woman comes and she's like, I find you very hot. Can we talk? What will you say?
I said no, I'm sorry, I have a girlfriend.
Yeah, you just made that.
But what if you just want to talk about how I'm hot? मतलब कैसे बनाई आपने बॉडी? Example.
You want to be a gym trainer?
नहीं वो भी अच्छे रहते जिम ट्रेनर का ऐसा मत
बनना है. हो आप?
नहीं हूँ तो नहीं
Exactly.
मैं नहीं करूँगा गलती हो गई
Good job.
अकाउंट डिलीट कर रहा हूँ अपना मैं
Okay. इधर आना आप जरा एक बार.
माँ
हंसना नहीं मैं हिंदी
Sorry.
में अभी, ठीक है? ये क्या पोस्ट किया आपने?
ये ऐसी बॉडी का
आपने बॉडी पोस्ट किया, तो मैं अपना तशरीफ पोस्ट करूँ इंस्टाग्राम पे?
तशरीफ
करूँ मैं?
नहीं आप मत
मैं अपना बिकिनी पिक्चर पोस्ट करूँ फिर इंस्टाग्राम पे?
देखो
फिर मेरे को भी कमेंट्स आएगा.
आएगा आप
मैं
अच्छी
रिप्लाई
लगती हो
करेगा.
अच्छी तो लगती हो आएगा
अच्छा ठीक है, तो आप ओके हो?
रिप्लाई नहीं करना
रिप्लाई नहीं करना.
फालतू वाले
और आप क्या करता अभी फिर?
मैं मेरे साथ आरी भी है आरी बताओ उनको जरा
इसको
मैं क्या
मत लाओ
करूं?
इसमें, इसको मत लाओ. रिप्लाई आपने किया, उसने नहीं किया.
मैंने ऐसी मेरा कोई गलत इंटेंशन नहीं था मैंने
अच्छा,
ऐसी
सही इंटेंशन से आपने बोला कि क्या बोला आपने? आपने बोला उसको मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड है?
ऐसा सामने से तो नहीं बोला बस बोला ओके
अच्छा, ओके थैंक्स बोला आपने. तो कल आके कोई मुझे बोलेगा यू हैव सच अ गुड एस, मैं बोलूंगी उसको थैंक्स.
नो टेल हिम शी डज
ओह
does.
अच्छा,
I know.
ओके.
बट नहीं सही बात है आप
सही
सही
बात
हो
है.
मैं गलत से बोल रहा हूँ गलती हो गई
ओके, गलती हो गई तो उस पे क्या बोलते हैं फिर?
सॉरी
हाँ, एक और बार थोड़ा प्यार से बोलो.
सॉरी
चलो इस बार तो माफ किया मैं, ठीक है?
ठीक है
अभी
अगले
अपना
टाइम भी
अकाउंट
कर ही
को
देना
अभी अपना अकाउंट को आप प्राइवेट करो,
कर दूंगा मैं
ठीक है? पक्का?
कर देंगे प्राइवेट इन्फ्लुएंसर है ना खत्म fair I like the whole you trying to of course you know sort of resolve the situation but I think midway you walked off you did not want to like talk about it maybe wait Shahila ka date Mama Sita date Pretty Zinta date Anushka date no What? No?
I personally want,
But Anushka did, she finished anyway, she crossed the line.
but I want Angel to win.
One Angel also
From
win.
my perspective, is कि Angel would be a better match for you than Anushka. Now,
So both of them crossed the line, right? Basically.
can they?
Yeah, but then I have to then decide, right?
Yeah.
That's what you're
Okay, so Angel and Anushka both are gay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Aman, who will you date?
I think I'll go on a date with Anushka. What a gym bro hug.
You know what? You guys should go there and flex together once. I think that'd be cute.
Here, and then you go like that.
Okay.
Yes. And then double bicep. And then let's go shoulder.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And tricep.
Okay, tricep also. Yeah.
Like that. Okay, I don't do that too masculine for me.
Are you guys gonna go out on a date now?
Yeah, no shit, but gym first.
Okay, gym date, gym date.
No.
No, we will go.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you guys.
But we are going on a date, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, ये लोग तो date पे चले गए. But if you like this video, then mention in the comment section.
And don't forget to
Like, share.
And subscribe to
Filter Public Candid.